Missing out on leads? Let's ensure every potential customer is captured with foolproof forms in your funnel. Today, I'll guide you through best practices for adding high-converting forms to your sales funnel using a powerful and user-friendly platform. Go high level. First, go to the Sites option on your dashboard's left panel. Here you'll find various options. Click on the Forms dropdown. Under the Forms dropdown, you'll see three choices: Builder, Analyze, and Submission. Click on Builder to start creating your new form. Click the Add Form button located at the top right. You'll have two options: Start from scratch or choose from templates. Selecting a template is a quick way to proceed. Browse categories on the left and find the right template for your needs on the right. Once you've selected a template, customize it to fit your funnel. You can add elements, edit labels, or remove unneeded fields. In this case, I'll keep just the first 3 fields. Now, let's integrate this form into your funnel. Navigate back and select your funnel. Choose the Edit option from the menu. Go to the page where you want the form and insert it. Save your changes, and if ready, publish. Ready to capture every lead? Build your custom form today and see your conversion rates soar. Looking to optimize your workflow and improve lead management? Try Go High Level's 30-day free trial and make sure to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless setup. Check the links in the video description below. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales funnel. See you next time.